All right there, boys and girls, here we are, day 2 of your March daily math. What number is this? 8 tens, 3 ones, 6 hundreds. Well, that means a 6 in our hundreds column, 8 in our tens column, and a 3 in our ones column. Now it says add 2 tens to this number. What is the number now? So we're adding 2 to the tens column. So we're going to count up by ones twice. So we have 68, 69, 70. And then a 3 for our ones column. All right, so it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're just counting how many are in each row. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 18. And do you believe in leprechauns? So there's leprechaun, and it says, what is the sum of these tiles? So let's just count the numbers here. We have 1, 2, and then plus 3 is 5, and 1 is 6, and 1 is 7, 3 is 10, and 4 is 14, 15, 16, 17. We can do the tallies. 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 and 1 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and then 1 and 1. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. We match. Okay, use these digits to make the smallest number possible. So we have to use all 3. So we have to pick our smallest number to go in the hundreds column. That would be the 6. And then we choose the next smallest number, which is the 7. And our last one, which is 8. All right, great job with that, boys and girls. We'll see you tomorrow for the next day of daily math.